Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE, and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
It is vessel ही बोट आता मुंबई साकून येयल्या अराउंड 1450 गोवन सीफेरर्स. सो आतां तेंची हांगासर टेस्ट जातली कोवीड टेस्ट जाल्या उपरांत तांकां SOP जो फॉर्मुलेट केला स्टेट गव्हर्मेंटान आनी तुमकां खबर आसतली चीफ मिनिस्टरान ऑलरेडी अनावन्स केल्लो आसा. सो टेस्ट रिजल्ट येना बरोबर तांकां एज पर दी SOP दी प्रोटोकॉल वील बी फॉलोड. आमकां हे सगळे टेस्ट करपाक DHS आनी स्टेट गव्हर्मेंटाचो फूल सपोर्ट आनी कॉपरेशन मेळ्ळो आसा. सो बेसिकली द फूल टीम इज ओवर हियर नाव एंड इट वील टेक टायम बट मोस्ट लायकली द कलेक्शन ऑफ द सॅम्पल्स वील be completed in a day's time. If required, the spillover will be done in the next day, and the results accordingly, once the results are declared, the required and the laid down SOP will be followed.
Sir, will it take about 4 or 5 days for these people to come out of the vessel as of now?
Now, as I told you, it depends on the test results. Suppose if the test result is negative, then they will be allowed to get out, and as laid down the SOP, they will undergo home quarantine. Suppose if the test is positive, then definitely the SOP says they have to be shifted to COVID.
तारवट्यांच्यो फामिलीक कितले दिसूच जाले तांच्या मनशांक रावताल्यो. कांय जाण पयसल्यानूच क्रूज धक्याक लागल्या ती पळोवंक भुरग्या बाळांक घेवन मुरगांव पावले.
Very excited. Waited for quite some time for my husband to reach. As you can see, the kids are quite excited to finally at least see the ship dock. It's quite a relief. At least these guys have come home safely. So yeah.
How long have you been waiting here?
We've just come
Okay.
here because my husband just called and told me that they are docking finally because of the rough weather they couldn't dock. So he just gave me a call, so I just came to see.
Has he told you how long it will take for him to come home?
Not really. Nothing
Okay, so
certain
you come with
yet.
your kids now.
Yeah.
Kids
Since
are very
I stay
happy.
in Vasco, so I said it's closer, so I just came so they could see the ship also.
Kids are also happy looking
Yes,
at the
they're
ship.
very happy, very happy. They're trying to figure out where their father is exactly. They cannot.
प्रुडंटा खातीर विक्रम नाईक.